Hello students, welcome here once again chemistry section. So last time in previous lecture you study about here when the acid and base react with metals, non-metals, metal hydrogen carbonates and metal carbonates, what will the product formations. Now today start with your next topic, that is how strong are acid and base solutions. So we know how the acid base indicator can be used to distinguish between the acid and base. Okay, acid base indicator can be used to distinguish between the an acid and a base. We have also learned in previous section about dilution and decrease in concentration of H positive or OH negative ions in solution. Can we quantitatively find out the amount of these ions present in solution? Can we judge how strong a given acid or base is? So we can do this by making use of universal indicator, which is a mixture of several indicator, different indicator. The universal indicator shows different color at different concentration of hydrogen ion in a solution. Okay, so once again repeat, the universal indicator shows different colors at different concentration of hydrogen ion in solution. A scale for measuring hydrogen ion in concentration in solution is called pH scale. Okay, when a scale is used for measuring the H positive ion in concentration in solution, that is known as pH scale, and this scale has been developed, and the in P in pH stands for protons in German meaning of power, या फिर P stands for potential. So here meaning P stands for power. On the pH scale can be measured pH generally from 0, that is very acidic, to 14, that is a very alkaline. Alkaline stands for their basic nature. So here pH scale, that is your measure the pH generally from solution 0 to 14. This is the range from start 0 to 14. We should be taught of symbol as number of, which indicate the acidic or basic nature of solution. pH should be taught about simply as a number which indicate acidic or basic nature of solution. Higher the hydronium ion concentration, lower the pH value. Higher the hydronium ion concentration, lower the pH value. A pH of a neutral solution is 7. Neutral solution is a pH value 7. Value is less than of the solution, the pH scale represented for acidic solution, and the pH value of solution increase from 7 to 14. It is represent as increase in the OH negative ion concentration in solution, and that solution is your basic nature, that is increase in the strength of alkali. Alkali stands for your basic medium of solution. Generally paper impregnated with the universal indicator is used for measuring pH. So you can see here pH universal indicator, that is a figure shows the variation of pH with change in concentration of H positive ion in aqueous and OH negative ions in aqueous form. This is your neutral. When any solution that shows the neutral indicate the 7 number, that means your solution is neutral form, that is neither acidic or nor basic. When the solution, that is your increase the acidic character, when the pH value is your less than 7, that is between 0 to 7. Suppose that your value is near what, 2, that means your solution is more acidic. Similarly, when the basic strength, then the OH negative ion increase from 7 to 14, means your solution is basic nature. So here basic nature increase from 7 to 14 and decrease the H positive ion concentration from this side 7 to 14. Suppose that your solution is the value is 13, that means your solution is more basic. Okay, so this is your pH papers to measure the strength of H positive ion in different concentration of solution. Okay, so this is your colored paper, that is to measure the pH value of different solution. When any solutions to give the deep red color may be about this like color solution, that stands for one number, that is representations for that is more acidic solution, and gastric juice that is about 1.2 value means that is your juice is your for acidic nature. Lemon juice values 2.2, that is your also acidic nature. Pure butter gives the value, and blood pure butter is the values 4, and uh, blood that is your also basic in nature, so this value is 7.4. Okay, so this is basic the exam point of view. Many times examiners ask this question, what is the pH value for blood? So here the value is 7.4. Similarly, when the milk of magnesia, that's the value is 10, and this is generally used for to remove the acidity in stomach. So here the sodium hydroxide solution is about 14. That means your sodium hydroxide solution is more acidic, and so this is a strong base. Similarly, sulfuric acid is your the king of chemical, that is your more acidic solution. Similarly, sodium hydroxide is a strong base, and that is the so next is the strength of acid and base depend upon the number of H positive ion and OH ion produced respectively. We take hydrochloric acid and acetic acid of the same concentration, says 1 molar. Then these produce different amount of hydrogen ion. Acid that gives rise to more H positive ion are said to be strong acid, and acid that give the less H positive ions are said to be weak acid. Okay, that means depend upon the how many number of H positive ion given and how many number of H positive ion not given. More H positive ion, more strong acid, less H positive ion, that is your weak acid. Similarly, in case of base, more the OH negative ion, that is your strong base, that is so less OH negative ion given in the solution any in basic medium, that is known as your weak base. Okay.